Forex, stocks, futures, Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week.
Hey Forex Militia, Parsifal here, and we've got the Trademiner picks of the week's Forex, stocks, and futures. And we are starting out with Forex, and we basically have a bullish euro dollar, 7 years, a win rate of 86%. All right. Next we have stocks. We have JP Morgan and Chase. We have 13 years. We have an 84% chance of win rate. Very low probability. And we have futures this week, which is gold. Basically gold with 7 years and 86% win rate with a medium probability. All right, let's check that on the charts. And what we have here is the euro, which is long, right, from this date to this date, from the 19th to the 29th of December. And it's already pretty much in an uptrend. So we'll just see if that continues. JP Morgan, bullish. Looks like it had a little bit of a pullback on my indicators. So let's look to see if it actually rallies going into the end of this market cycle. And futures, gold. Gold is basically long. And we'll see if it continues to stay long going into the end of this cycle. All right, so that's just a look at the charts. Let's go into the review. And you already saw we are positive. We're actually that's very nice. Had a bit of a drawdown. It's at 137, and as you can see, we've got Cisco, we've got United Healthcare, and we've got the Kiwi CAD, which is all positive. All right, ADT. Let me see. That's okay. That's something else. Amgen. Going into Amgen. That would be here. That's coming up. The dollar yen. Okay. Coming up. Honeywell. Honeywell just opened just on Friday to be bullish. We'll see if that finishes that way. We've got the euro pound, which is looking to go bullish into the end of this cycle, and it actually looks like it's bearish. And then we have the ones that I have on. Okay, all right, so all in all, the review for this week has us looking very, very good, and we're making money. And so please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I have links in the description, which are Trademiner, SeasonX, and EA Builder. Those are affiliate links. Click on it if you would like to get more information about what those that software and those sites actually are. And knowledge is power. Be power hungry. Power to the people. The closest thing to the Holy Grail is following the smart money. This is Parsifal, ForexMilitia, signing out.
Yourself first.